Do you know exactly how much you're spending on subscriptions every month? Not just the big ones like Netflix and Spotify, but all the small ones. The streaming service you signed up for to watch one movie, the free trial you forgot to cancel, the app you've had for years but haven't opened since 2019. It's easy for these little expenses to slip through the cracks, adding up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. It's a problem that most of us have. We're all drowning in a sea of monthly, and even annual, charges that seem to come out of nowhere. But what if you could have a single, clear view of every single subscription you pay for? What if you could find those hidden charges in just a few minutes and get your money back? That's where Rocket Money comes in. Rocket Money is a powerful financial app designed to help you get a handle on your spending, and its subscription management feature is a total game changer. It's the easiest way to find and control all of your recurring payments. The process is incredibly simple. After you securely link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app, Rocket Money's smart algorithm gets to work. It automatically scans your transaction history to identify every single recurring charge you have. It doesn't miss a thing. Within minutes, you'll have a comprehensive, alphabetized list of every subscription you're currently paying for, whether it's a fitness app, an online news service, or that monthly coffee club you forgot about. The app tells you the name of the service, how much it costs, and when the next payment is due. What's really powerful is that Rocket Money also flags subscriptions that might be inactive or duplicates. So if you signed up for a service under one card and then a second time with another, it will catch that for you. It's like having a personal finance detective working 24/7. Once you've found the subscriptions you no longer want, the app helps you take action. With the premium version, you can have their concierge service handle the cancellation for you. It saves you the time and headache of navigating customer service and ensures the subscription is actually gone. Whether you choose to use their help to cancel or just use the app to find and track your subscriptions yourself, Rocket Money puts the power back in your hands. It turns those hidden, forgotten expenses into money you can put toward your savings, investments, or something you actually enjoy. It's about being in control, not just watching your money disappear. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.